Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best car remote start available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, Compustor Car Remote Start. This two-way remote start bundle delivers an impressive combination of convenience, security, and long-range performance for everyday drivers. With a reliable operating range of up to 3,000 feet, the water-resistant two-way LED remote provides instant confirmation that your commands have been received, giving you confidence even from a distance. The included CM900S control module supports 3x lock start using your factory key fob, eliminating the need to carry an extra remote for basic operation. The addition of the Drone X1 LTE module takes convenience even further by enabling unlimited range smartphone control, allowing you to start, lock, unlock, and monitor your vehicle virtually anywhere. Backed by a limited lifetime system warranty and a 1-year remote warranty, this package offers excellent long-term value. Professional installation ensures seamless compatibility and dependable performance, making it a smart upgrade for comfort, convenience, and vehicle security year-round. Next up, we have Chadwick Car Remote Start. This smart push-button start and keyless entry system brings modern convenience to older vehicles with a seamless combination of remote access and intelligent security features. The one-button start function simplifies daily driving by cycling through ACC, on, and engine start/stop with intuitive brake-assisted operation. Its remote start capability offers added comfort, allowing you to start or shut down the engine from up to 40 meters away, depending on environmental conditions, making it ideal for pre-cooling or warming your vehicle. The PKE keyless entry system automatically unlocks the doors as you approach within approximately 2 meters and securely locks them when you walk away, eliminating the need to handle your key. Bluetooth smartphone control further enhances convenience by enabling lock and unlock functions through a mobile app within a sensing distance of about 10 meters. And at number 3, EasyGuard Car Remote Start. The EASYGUARD Smart Key PKE car alarm system is an excellent upgrade for drivers who want to bring modern convenience and enhanced security to compatible vehicles. Its passive keyless entry automatically unlocks the doors as you approach within 3 to 6 feet and locks them when you walk away, eliminating the need to manually use your key fob. The integrated push-button start provides a smoother, more convenient driving experience by replacing the traditional ignition key, while the remote engine start allows you to prepare your vehicle before getting inside. The system is designed with compatibility in mind, so verifying vehicle requirements before purchase is essential, especially for cars with factory push-button start, diesel engines, or specialized locking systems. For vehicles equipped with a factory immobilizer, adding a compatible bypass module ensures proper operation. When professionally installed, this system delivers reliable performance, improved everyday convenience, and an added layer of vehicle security with smart automation. Now at number 4, Mulcourt Car Remote Start. This remote engine starter and two-way security system offers an excellent balance of comfort, convenience, and advanced vehicle protection. The remote start function lets you warm up your vehicle during cold mornings or pre-cool the cabin before driving in hot weather, ensuring a comfortable interior regardless of the season. Its built-in vibration alarm adds an extra layer of security by instantly detecting unauthorized impacts or intrusion attempts and triggering an anti-theft alert in real time. The high-resolution two-way LCD remote continuously monitors your vehicle, providing useful information such as cabin temperature, battery voltage, and system status for greater peace of mind. A programmable timer engine starter is especially beneficial for turbocharged vehicles, allowing scheduled starts that help protect engine components and promote long-term reliability. Enhanced with FSK, frequency shift keying, technology, the system delivers stronger signal stability, improved communication, and dependable long-range feedback, making it a reliable upgrade for everyday vehicle security and convenience. And finally, our last pick, StartX Car Remote Start. This remote start kit is a practical upgrade for compatible Ford vehicles, adding year-round comfort without sacrificing factory functionality. Whether you're warming the cabin on freezing winter mornings or cooling it down before entering during hot summer days, the system makes every drive more comfortable. Designed for select F-150, Edge, and Expedition models with either push-to-start or traditional key ignition, it integrates with the factory remote for a clean, OEM-style experience without requiring extra key fobs. Built-in safety features prevent remote starting when the check engine light is illuminated or fuel levels are too low, while the engine automatically shuts off when a door is open to discourage unauthorized driving. Compatibility with gas-powered automatic transmission models and the requirement for an OEM hood pin help ensure safe, reliable operation. When installed correctly, this kit delivers dependable performance, seamless factory integration, and the convenience of remote engine starting every day. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.